Oh,
it was
yeah.
a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. Appointment number 2.
Right.
What's up, my unicorns? We are back at it with another video again. And today's video, I'm stumbling on my words. In today's video, this is going to technically be a 2-parter, but we're going to fast forward it. So this is the first day she came. She booked under the $26 special. And she previously had a ponytail, and she had a lot of edge control, beeswax, spray, all of that. I shampooed her hair several times. Then we blow dried it, tried to press it out, and no look. Like literally no look. So then I took her back to the shampoo bowl, repeated the process, right? Still, hair still oily, hair still had a lot of buildup in product. So something told me when it was time for me to re-up on my products, you need to also get some Dr. Broners again. But I didn't, because I'm like, I haven't had anybody with difficult, extra gunky, extra product in their hair or anything like that. So you know what, I think I'm doing good, and the new products that I'm using, I think they're good too. But it never hurts, because really the only reason I started using the Dr. Broners was just for situations like this, when the product just refuses to leave the hair, where it's like saturated and then soaked into the hair shaft and won't come out, and the extra buildup is on the scalp. That's literally all. That's the only reason that I really decide to use that. And just when I want a super clean base, when I feel like the hair just needs it. So I do regret that, not getting the Dr. Broners initially. So even though I shampooed her hair several times this first time before blow drying it, I'm gonna go back again. We're gonna try it again. It's still going to be oily, you guys. I told her to come back the next day, and the next day I had the Dr. Broners. We used that, and we went through the whole process again. And I did at the bowl, I had to shampoo her hair like several times all over again. Even with the Dr. Broners, I still had to shampoo her hair, I want to say like over 5 times, just making sure all of it was out. She was back to back in different hairstyles, so that also aided in the fact that her hair had a lot of buildup as well. But we're just gonna keep going on throughout this video, so you're gonna notice when it changes, I'm gonna have on a different outfit. So right here I have on my client's t-shirt that I had customized, and then in my next t-shirt I'm just gonna have my embroidered shirt. Okay, so you see how oily it is? Like, y'all, I tried to go up just a little bit to see, okay, am I really tripping? Yes, it was oily. It was super duper oily. So after I noticed this, I'm like, girl, we gotta go back to the bowl. Like, y'all see that? Like, you can see the oil, not even just the stiffness, but you can see the oil. So we'd rather go back to the bowl. We're going to try to shampoo her out again before she leaves. It's still not going to be good enough, and she's going to have to come back tomorrow. And we're going to try this again. So basically, this is tomorrow, and I have the Dr. Broners. Yeah. And we're going to shampoo her out several times before we head on back. And we're going to give this another attempt, and I'm going to do my usual. So I also added in a steam treatment. So yeah, will I ever be running this $26 special back? No. And I already had that in mind before she even came. It's not because of her, but it's just such a good cheap deal. And I could do a super press in 45 minutes. So it's not really the pricing, it's not the time or anything like that, because this is my specialty. I don't have an issue with it. But it's just like, yeah, it was just too cheap. And you get in where you fit in. I had it open for 26 hours. If you booked it, you booked it. If you didn't, well, you just missed out. And a fair amount of people, they did end up booking it. I will do another type of special, but will it be that cheap ever again? No. But what they say never. But honestly, in my opinion, no. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep shampooing her hair. I'm gonna have a steamer on her hair as well. And yeah, we're gonna go back, do the usual press how I usually do it, guys. And you're gonna see the final results at the end. It's totally going to be worth it. We're also gonna give her a nice little cut. So I started at the front just to see, like, okay, is this the same? It's the same what we had going on? And no. But just keep on watching and stay tuned, like I said, for the final results. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, Shawan, give me a review. How was your appointment? You recording?
Oh, Crystal.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Appointment number 2.
Right.